Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling a fitness goal that so many of us share, but honestly, we tend to overcomplicate it way too much. We're talking about building real arm strength without ever stepping foot inside a gym. The source material we're diving into today lays out this incredible, zero-barrier, absolutely no-equipment blueprint that's specifically designed to target your triceps right from your living room. Seriously, if you've ever felt like you needed some pricey gym membership or heavy, expensive dumbbells to actually see changes, this approach just strips all of that away. You don't need any gear, you skip the commute, and honestly, you just need a little bit of focus and the willingness to push your muscles into some continuous tension. Let's get into it.
And here is the best part. The absolute magic number for this entire regimen is just 5 minutes. Yep, 5 minutes. For those of us with crazy busy schedules, that is the ultimate takeaway here. We are not talking about some grueling hour-long sweat session that eats up your entire morning. Our source breaks down a complete, highly effective routine that is perfectly optimized to fit into a tiny little window of your day. It uses continuous tension and really smart movement sequencing to literally make every single second count. You could genuinely run through this entire blueprint right before you jump in the shower or just during a quick break from your desk.
To really set the stage here, the host of our source material kicks things off with this super clear, welcoming promise. They say, "Assalamu alaikum, everyone. If you want bigger, stronger triceps at home without any gym equipment, then this 5-minute workout is perfect for you." I just love that energy. It sets such an incredibly positive, no-excuses foundation for the physical work ahead. The host really acts as a guide here, basically inviting us to just follow along and experience the real physiological benefits of bodyweight leverage for ourselves.
Okay, so every great routine needs a warm-up, right? Well, this one is perfectly calibrated for a super short time frame. We're looking at a rapid 40-second progression just to prime the arms and get that blood flowing. First up, you do arm circles forward for 15 seconds. Simple enough. Then you just reverse it for another 15 seconds. Finally, you finish that off with a light tricep stretch for 10 seconds per arm. Boom. In under a minute, you've completely signaled to your nervous system and your muscles that it's time to work. This is absolutely crucial because it effectively reduces your risk of strain and preps those triceps for the load they're about to handle.
All right, with the arms fully prepped, we hit the very first exercise of the blueprint, tricep dips. And honestly, the brilliant part of this zero-barrier approach is that you don't need a specialized gym bench or anything fancy. A completely standard, stable household chair, or even just the edge of your couch, provides the exact leverage you need to start isolating the triceps and building up that foundational strength.
Now, executing this properly requires some strict form. So, with your hands gripping the edge of the chair, you're going to lower your body slowly and then powerfully push back up using only the power of your triceps. Our source heavily emphasizes mindful control over speed here. It is so important to keep your elbows tucked tightly close to your body. That stops your shoulders from taking over the work. You want to maintain this nice, controlled pace for 40 to 45 seconds. Remember, it's really not about how many reps you can crank out as fast as possible. It is all about maximizing that time under tension.
Moving seamlessly right along, we transition into exercise number 2, diamond push-ups. Now, the source identifies this specific movement as literally one of the absolute best overall tricep builders in existence. It's wild because by simply shifting your hand placement, a standard, usually chest-dominant exercise instantly turns into a highly effective bodyweight tricep isolator. It's a real game changer. So the mechanics here are key. You want to bring your hands together directly under your chest, literally forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. From that starting position, you slowly lower your chest towards the floor and then powerfully push back up. Once again, your primary focus has got to be perfect form. You really want to embrace that kinetic tension and just feel the burn of this challenging move. You are staying right in this zone for a full 40 to 45 seconds of continuous work. Now, what makes this routine truly accessible for everyone is the built-in modification they show us. Listen, if a standard full extension diamond push-up is just too difficult to sustain for 45 seconds straight, which, let's be real, it is for a lot of people, the source offers the knee push-up. By simply dropping your knees down to the ground, you significantly reduce the load, but you still maintain that perfect, slow form. It really proves that there is a viable entry point for absolutely any fitness level. You don't have to be some elite athlete to get the physiological benefits. You just need to choose the variation that allows you to keep those elbows tucked and keep those muscles working. Okay, halfway through the active circuit now. Let's keep that momentum flowing right into exercise number 3, bench or chair tricep extensions. We are bringing that piece of furniture back into play. And we're deliberately stacking the exercises in a sequence that completely exhausts those muscle fibers before they even have a chance to fully recover. Honestly, this is where the physical intensity of this 5-minute routine really starts to peak.
So for this extension, you're going to lean forward slightly against the edge of that chair or table. Then, bend your elbows so your head dips down behind them and forcefully extend your arms to push yourself back out. Since you're using your own body weight as a lever, the source notes that you should really feel your triceps working hard against gravity here. You're going to commit to this highly focused movement for another continuous 40 to 45 seconds of controlled effort. You can do it.
All right, we have finally arrived at the grand finale, exercise number 4, close grip push-ups. By this point in the circuit, fatigue is definitely setting in, no doubt about it. But this is the ultimate finishing move to ensure that you've recruited every single possible muscle fiber in the back of your arms before that 5-minute clock officially runs out. Let's power through this. The specific mechanics here are designed to maximize structural tension for one last massive push. You're going to set your hands at shoulder width or even slightly closer, and you must keep your elbows extremely tight against your ribs as you lower down and press back up. And hey, because you are at the very end of the line here, this final sprint only requires you to hold on for 30 to 40 seconds. If you can just maintain your perfect form and keep those elbows tucked for that final half minute, you will have successfully completed the entire active circuit.
And if you're wondering why we finish with this, well, the logic behind this specific finisher is entirely physiological. Think about it. A regular wider push-up primarily targets the pectoral muscles in your chest, but this close grip variation, especially with those tightly tucked elbows, basically shifts all that mechanical load away from the chest and heavily isolates the triceps. It is just a fantastic example of how making a minor, mindful adjustment in your hand placement completely changes the entire outcome of the exercise.
So, to make sure you get long-term, visible results, our source leaves us with a very simple formula. Your goal is bigger, stronger triceps, right? Well, that requires a time commitment of literally just 5 minutes, using absolutely zero equipment. But the real secret to success here, the absolute key, is frequency. You need to be completing this focused circuit consistently, about 3 to 4 times a week. That level of consistency, paired with all that time under tension we just walked through, is exactly what drives real muscle growth over time. All right, you've seen the blueprint, you understand the form, the accessible modifications, and the underlying mechanics of continuous tension. The barrier to entry has literally been erased. So here's the big question. You have 5 spare minutes today. Will you start building? Let us know. Be sure to comment the word triceps down below if you are ready for more zero-barrier routines like this. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and we will definitely see you next time.